Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12th CBSE Maths Continuity and Differentiability exercise 5.5 question number 4. Let's see the question. Differentiate with respect to x power x minus 2 power sin x. Here if you see the question, the variable is on the power. If the variable is on the power, it is quite difficult for us to solve. If it is in power, always take log. But taking log in this is, there are plus and minus in between. If there are plus and minus, we can't take log separately. For that reason, I am going to split the given question. Let y equal to the given question. Y, I am going to write it to be u minus v, where u is equal to x power x and v is equal to 2 power sin x. So as I told before, if it's in power, is in variable, need to take log. So taking log on both the sides, here it becomes log u is equal to log x power x, log v is equal to log 2 power sin x. The formula for log m power n is n log m. The power will come as a multiply. Here the power will come as a multiply. So here it becomes log u is equal to x log x. Here it becomes log v is equal to sin x log 2. Now here there are two variables, that is two functions. One is algebraic, the other one is logarithmic function. Both are in multiply, means we need to use product rule for differentiation. Here it becomes 1 by u. Differentiation of log u is, log x is 1 by x. As it is u, 1 by u. We are doing with respect to x, so we need to write du by dx. Other variable, if we are differentiating, we need to write the variable on the top by the with respect to on the bottom. Now we are keeping the exact as it is. If I differentiate log x, it becomes 1 by x. So now keep the log x as it is. If I differentiate x, it becomes 1. So this is the product rule. Keep this as it is, differentiate this, plus keep this as it is, differentiate this. Now this two get cancelled. Now this becomes du by dv is equal to, bringing u to this side, it becomes u into 1 plus log x. U is nothing but x power x. So substitute it here. Du by dv is equal to, instead of u we can write x power x 1 plus log x. So we have completed the first one. We'll move on to the next one. Here if you see, though it is in multiply, log 2 is a constant term. So if log 2 is written with along with sin x, means it is a coefficient. If I write 2x, means this is x coefficient is 2. So the same way here, log 2 is nothing but a constant number. It's a number with a variable. That means it is a coefficient. So 1 by v, here differentiating of v becomes 1 by v dv by dx is equal to, I can write the log 2 as it is, and sin 2 differentiation is sin x differentiation is cos x. Now we have completed this. So we want dv by dx. So dv by dx is b into log 2 cos x. V is 2 power sin x. So dv by dx is equal to 2 power sin x into log 2 cos x. We have found dv, we have found du, both we have found. We want to find this. We want to find y is equal to u minus v. Start differentiating this, the given question. So this becomes dy by dx is equal to, here if I differentiate u, we need to differentiate with respect to x, but I am differentiating with u, means u is 1. Think of a variable x itself. X means 1. The same way u becomes 1. But we are changing the variable, so we need to write du by dx. The same way here also, dv by dx. We have found all the du value and dv value. Just substitute it here. It becomes x power x 1 plus log x minus 2 power sin x log 2 cos x. This is your final differentiation answer. That's all with the sum. Thank you.